Millions of engineering students graduate every year. You study late, pass the exams, and walk the stage. But for many, the reward isn't a job offer. It's a stack of rejection emails. The root cause of this rejection is rarely the B.Tech degree itself. Companies are hiring, but they are filtering for specific modern proficiencies that the standard curriculum often skips. This is the engineering blueprint, a personalized 4-year action plan covering the 10 distinct skills required to stay relevant in 2026 and beyond. Pause the video right now. Open Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or your preferred spreadsheet software so you can build this tracker alongside me. By simply opening a spreadsheet, you have already initiated the first step, mastering basic productivity tools. Let's map out your first year. In your spreadsheet, create a column labeled Year 1. Underneath it, add 2 empty checkboxes. Next to the first checkbox, type Professional Communication. This involves speaking clearly in meetings, writing professional emails, and delivering presentations with confidence. Add a specific action item next to it. Join a college group discussion club this semester. You need a low-stakes environment to practice articulating technical ideas. By your second checkbox, log skill number 8, Microsoft Excel and productivity tools. This covers everything from charting data in spreadsheets to organizing project documentation. Technical knowledge is inert if an engineer cannot document their findings in a spreadsheet or clearly explain their solution to a team. Move to the next column and label it Year 2. This is where we establish your technical foundation. Add 3 new checkboxes. Your first Year 2 entry is skill number 5, structured problem solving. When code breaks or a circuit fails, you need a systematic method for root cause analysis, moving beyond simple guesswork. Next, write down skill number 4, Git and GitHub. This is the industry standard for tracking, managing, and collaborating on code. A public, well-maintained repository here serves as a digital resume. Recruiters can verify your exact contributions to complex projects over time. For your final Year 2 checkbox, add skill number 2, Projects. Specify a target based on your major. For ECE, focus on an IoT prototype. For CSE, commit to a functional AI or web application. Completing tangible, documented projects demonstrates applied competence to employers far more effectively than theoretical exam scores. Set up a third column and label it Year 3. Now we transition from internal learning to external industry expansion. Add 3 more checkboxes. First, log skill number 7, Artificial Intelligence Tools. Focus on prompt engineering to accelerate your research and writing, rather than using these tools as a shortcut for assignments. AI will not replace engineering students. However, students who leverage AI will replace those who do not. For the second box, write skill number 6, Networking and LinkedIn. This is the primary engine for discovering career opportunities that never reach public job boards. Add an actionable tracker goal here. Send connection requests to 5 industry professionals in your target field today. Your third entry is skill number 3, Internship Experience. This fills the gap between classroom theory and the quality standards of a corporate office. Year 3 turns you from a solitary academic learner into a connected, tech-accelerated participant in the professional market. Create your final column, Year 4. This phase focuses on market presentation and long-term adaptation. Add your last 2 checkboxes. Log skill number 9, Resume Building. Modern software filters out weak applications before they reach a recruiter, so your resume must be structured for clarity and impact. Configure your tracker with a recurring semester-based reminder to update this document with quantifiable metrics from your latest projects. For the final checkbox, record skill number 1, Learning how to learn. This is the skill that allows you to master all others as technology evolves. Future technologies like quantum computing and advanced semiconductors will rapidly alter the engineering landscape. The tools you use today will eventually be superseded. A structured resume earns you the interview, but the proven ability to rapidly learn new, complex systems is what secures a career for the next 30 years. Look at your screen. You have transformed generic career advice into a strict, actionable timeline. The B.Tech degree functions as your baseline credential, but your ability to execute these 10 mapped skills is what determines your trajectory within the industry. Save your tracker document and execute your Year 1 goals today. Subscribe for continued guidance on engineering technology, VLSI, and placements. By planning today and building continuously, you graduate as a verified problem solver with a portfolio that proves your value to the future economy.